Hi guys, got a 2023 plate Audi Q4 here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. If you do find the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see some more useful content like this, subscribe to the channel. So on this one, I'm going to use the screen on the centre of the dash. From here, you want to press the home button, then go to car, and scroll down to tyre pressure loss indicator. Now first, make sure your tyres are all pumped up to the correct pressures, and then you want to press store tyre pressures. Do the current pressures of the 4 tyres correspond to the required values? So just press yes, store now. And that's it.